What is a version control system?
The version control systems help developers track and manage changes to their code. They act like a history book for your project, recording every update, addition, or deletion. This makes it easy to see who made changes, when they were made, and why, reducing confusion and making sure everyone is working with the most current version of the code.
Why use version control?
Version control reduces the risk of losing important code and helps prevent mistakes. If something goes wrong, you can easily roll back to a previous working version. It also simplifies experimenting, since you can create branches to test new ideas without affecting the main project. Overall, it keeps your coding process organized and stress-free.
How version control improves collaboration?
Working with other developers becomes much smoother with version control. Multiple people can work on the same project at once without overwriting each other's changes. Tools like Git make it easy to review, merge, and resolve conflicts, so everyone's contributions are integrated seamlessly. This fosters teamwork and speeds up development.
Getting started with Git.
Git is the most popular version control tool today. To start, install Git on your computer and set up a repository, a space to store your code. Use simple commands like git add, git commit, and git push to save and share your code changes. Many hosting platforms like GitHub make it even easier to collaborate online.
Best practices for using version control.
To get the most from version control, commit your changes often with clear messages describing what you've done. Use branches for new features or bug fixes, and merge only when your code is ready. Regularly pull updates from others to stay in sync. With these habits, version control becomes a powerful tool for error reduction and teamwork.